Ensure the valve is fully closed before proceeding to the next step.
Yes, supervisor, fully closed.
Very good.
All right, bring it straight back. Watch the clearance on the left. Set it down gently next to the others.
The target speed for this batch is higher. Adjust the flow guides.
Confirmed. The alignment is perfect now.
The target speed for this batch is higher. Adjust the flow guides.
Confirmed. The alignment is perfect now.
How is the moisture content on that last sample?
It's within the acceptable range.
Good, let's maintain the current settings.
The temperature in vat 3 is fluctuating slightly above the set point. I see it. Adjust the steam flow by 5%.
The pressure on roller 3 seems high.
Yes. Yeah, keep an eye on the temperature gauge.
The pressure reading is stable at 200 psi.
Confirmed. The flow rate matches the projection on the tablet.
Check the pressure on gauge 4.
It's holding steady at 200 psi.
If you look at the chromatogram here, the concentration is slightly off.
Agreed. The data confirms the impurity level is too high for release.
Check the alignment data for the last hour. It's holding steady at 99% efficiency.
How does this placement look with the rosemary?
That's much better. Let's adjust the softbox on the left slightly.
There, perfect.
The viscosity readings are fluctuating outside parameters.
Adjust injection rate.
Anomaly detected in pipeline 3. Rerouting flow. Pressure stabilizing now. The holographic overlay confirms the fix.
Look at this quality management award from 2022.
Yes, and the environmental safety ones over here are impressive too.
Set it down slowly, right there.
We need 2 more pallets for this truck. Hurry it up.
Keep an eye on this gauge right here.
Roger that, seems steady.
This valve here is crucial for pressure regulation. Ensure you check the specifications.
Is that the motorized valve or the pneumatic one?
It's the pneumatic actuator. Let's look at the model.
If we look at the Q3 projections, the new campaign targeting
I agree. We should leverage this.
The feedback trends show the main issue is the lead time.
The new logistics platform should cut that down significantly.
Check the pressure on the processing unit.
It is within parameters. We are clear to move on.
We have an anomaly in the packaging line data right here.
It looks like a sensor error on the robotic arm, and let me cross-reference the logs.
The viscosity readings on batch 34 look promising.
Yes, the new additive is definitely stabilizing the crude oil.
I've adjusted the valve. Check the flow rate now.
It's leveling out perfectly. We are within the parameters.
Moisture levels look good on the soybeans. Okay, I'm logging that now. What about the sunflower load from silo 4? The flow rate is steady at 200 tons per hour.
and the oil extraction rate is optimal. Let's maintain this setting.
The flow rate is stabilizing right here. All right, the adjustment worked.
The temperature on roller 3 is holding steady at 220 Celsius.
Good, the flow rate looks optimized now. See how the viscosity changes here on the schematic.
Yes, the centrifuge is optimizing the separation perfectly now.
Looks like the moisture levels are stable. Yeah, throughput is looking good on this batch.
The fluctuation on this graph is still outside the parameters.
I see it. Rerouting the supply chain now to compensate.
We need to adjust the vibration on screen 3. The throughput is slightly below target right now.
The Q3 projections show the growth metric stabilizing.
But the regional data shows a slight downturn in the APAC market.
We need to adjust the forecast.
Confirmed, shipment 4B is cleared for immediate transport to the loading bay.
Copy that. Control. Bringing the forklift around now.
This spike in the Red Sea requires us to adjust the allocations here.
I agree. Let's pull up the contingency plan for the Strait of Hormuz.
The real-time data confirms the valve adjustment stabilized the flow.
Excellent. The simulation parameters are holding steady.
How did the feedback correlate with the new sample?
We've achieved a 20% improvement on the oxidation stability, exceeding the target.
Right.
As you can see on the graph, the peak for the oil content is right within the expected range for the hybrid seeds.
Good, let's log that.
The density reading is optimal. We can maintain this pace.
Agreed. The projection models were accurate. Let's prep the transfer pumps.
Bring that down to level 2. Copy that, moving now.
Moisture content on the soy looks good, but check the density on this lot.
Palm fruits show minimal bruising, approving shipment 7B.